Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to refer a friend on Amazon Pay. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up Amazon Pay. So log into your account. So just go to log into your account. So once you've already logged into your account, so what you're going to do, go to Amazon Pay option here. So open up Amazon Pay. So once you open up Amazon Pay option here, so what you're going to do, you're going to like scroll down and you will see the option under, should be under manage. Yep, under manage. All right, so under manage you should see an option called invite and earn. So that's where we go to click on. So click on invite and earn. So here once you get one sec, so once you get to this option here, all right, so once you get to this option here, all you have to do here is you just have to search for your contact here. Click on search for contact and search your contacts, and then send them a link so your friends, so whoever you're sending link to, they should they should be able to just click on the invite link, and then they should start, and they could just start using join Amazon Pay and start using it. So once they start using it, then you will get rewards for each person that uses your referral and then joins Amazon Pay. So you'll get rewards accordingly to that. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.